Hello everyone. Welcome to Blution Health Next. Myself Namrata. We often talk about doctors, treatments, and surgeries, but there is a silent force in the healthcare who truly holds everything together. Nurses. On this occasion of International Nurses Day, we brings to you a special conversation inspired by this year's theme, Our Nurses, Our Future, Empowered Nurses Save Lives. And to help us understand this better, today we have with us Miss Asha Varghese. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Namada.
Miss Asha Varghese is the Chief of Nursing at Sharda Care Health City, who brings deep insight into patient care, nursing practices, and healthcare system. Hello, welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Namrata. Thank you for having me. It's immense pleasure to be part of this conversation. Once again, thank you.
Thank you. It's pleasure for me. Ma'am, as every journey start, every profession start with a story. What inspired to you to choose this nursing and healthcare?
Namrata, nursing was not just a career choice for me. It's truly felt like a calling. I always wanted to be a profession where I could make a real difference in someone's life.
Great. Ma'am, do you remember your first patient interaction?
Yeah, I am still remember my first point of interaction with my patient. I was so nervous and little bit curious too. But I don't know how to talk, what to talk, how to act. I really don't know about that. But still, I just smiled. I held the patient hands. I spoke kindly. That moment taught me something very important. Sometimes even a small act of kindness that that will give a comfort and trust for the patient. From that day, I realized nursing is not just a about the treatment. It's true about a connection.
Great. Many people see nurses as a supporting system, but in reality, nurses are backbone of the healthcare. So, in your point of view, what is the true role of a nurse?
Yeah, that's a very good question. Nurses are truly backbone of patient care because nurses are always there 24 into 7 with the patients. They are understanding the patient physical need as well as their emotional needs too. The nurses are always act as a caregivers, patient advocates, and also bridge between the doctors and the patients. Sometimes the patient is scared and curious, and we translate some medical terms or medical things in a very simple way to the
That
patient.
they don't know.
Yeah, absolutely.
How important is the coordination between doctor and nurses?
Yeah, in my experience, where there is a teamwork, good teamwork between the doctors and the nurses, the patient outcome will improve a lot so that we can change lot of changes in the system also.
As this year theme says, empowered nurses save lives. What does mean empowered nurses to you?
An empowered nurse, someone who is confident, knowledgeable, and not afraid to speak up for the patient safety. That is a empowered nurse. That is should be an empowered nurse.
Okay. Okay. What matters for empowerment? Training, respect, or the working environment?
I remember a situation where I noticed a small changes in the patient condition. So its look was very minor, but I informed the doctor immediately. Later it helped prevent further complication. That gave me a confidence. Nurses are the really voice of the hospital. They are the really voice of the hospital. And also, when nurses feel respected and valued,
Right.
they naturally they give their 100% best for the patient and best for the organization.
Great. It's nursing is not just about the physical demanding, it's also emotional as well. So, how does a nurse manage their mental and emotional well being?
You know, the nurses are emotionally demanding because we always deal with pain, emergencies, and sometimes the loss. So there are days when it became overwhelming. But support from the colleagues really helps. Like we talk each other, we support each other, and we share lot of things with each other. So personally, I would say I try to take small breaks in between, and that stay connected with my family. That always give a positive balance.
Right. So, what hospitals do for the betterment of nurses' mental health?
I always believe uh, hospital should be more focused on counseling support, and they should give us healthy environment to work.
If we talk about patient safety, what role do nurses play to ensure patient safety?
Patient safety is one of the most paramount responsibilities of a nurse, and since we are constantly monitoring the patients, we are the first one to notice any kind of change in the bedside or in the whether it is in the ICU, whether it is in the ward, like any other patient care area.
Okay. Can you share an example when nursing intervention prevented the complications?
For example, even a small change in vital signs or behavior can indicate something is very serious or emergency. But early observation, early detection, and management really prevent that kind of emergencies, and they can truly save the life of the patient. That's why attention in detail very important in nursing.
Like the CE says, our nurses, our future. So, what do you see the nursing profession evolving in the future?
I would say the future nursing is very promising. We will see more nurses. Nowadays, more nurses are coming to leadership roles. They have good advanced skills, specialization, etc.
Okay. How will technology impact the role of nurses?
Nowadays, you know that technology will definitely impact a huge big role in the healthcare, like digital monitoring, artificial intelligence. But one thing will never change, that is human touch.
Yes.
No machine can replace empathy and compassion.
What are the challenges nurses faces today?
As a leader, I would say one of the biggest challenges in nursing today is workload and staff shortage. Sometimes the nurse has to take care of many patients in the ICU and ward, which can be very stressful, and that will affect the quality of patient care too. So we need to balance our system. That is very important.
Right. What is one change you would like to see in healthcare system?
I would say really like to see the better nurse patient ratio. The ratio should be as per the acuity level of patients, and apart from that, we have to more focus on the staff well-being. That is very important. When nurses should be supported, the patient care automatically improves. There is no doubt on that.
What is one change you would like to see in healthcare system?
I would like to say, I would like to see a good nurse-patient ratio and more focus on the staff well-being. When nurses are supported and respected, the patient care automatically improve. And honestly, I feel nurses are doing too many tasks together, like clinical work, and sometimes they are doing lot of non-clinical tasks too. If responsibilities are properly divided among all the team members, the nurses can spend a lot of quality time with the patient care area. So that will definitely improve the outcome. Every department should take accountability for further their own role. That is very important. Then healthcare became more smoother, safer, and patient oriented. At the end of the day, we are here for the patient care. Our utmost responsibility is patient care only.
Right. So this is a rapid fire segment. Short questions, short
Wow.
answers. So first question is like one quality every nurse should have.
Compassion.
Compassion. Okay. One common myth about nurses.
Nurses only follows orders.
One habit that improve patient care.
Good communication.
Right. Your message to young nurses.
Stay passionate. Keep learning. Believe in yourself.
Before we close, I want to know if you were not in healthcare, what would you have chosen?
If I wasn't in healthcare, I always prefer teaching because I love to teach others and because I enjoy guiding, helping others to learn.
Okay, great. One more important question. How do you take care of your own health and mental well-being?
For self care, I always focus on rest and healthy, good habits like exercising. I always prefer morning walk, so that will give me a relaxation for all the day. Like I spending quality time with my family. That really helps me to recharge myself every day.
Okay, great. That's very important. If you are good and in fit position, then you can take care of your patient.
Absolutely,
Right.
absolutely.
Today's conversation reminds me that healthcare is not only about treatments, it's about compassion, presence, and human connection. Nurses are not only caregivers, they are backbone in healthcare system. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your insightful conversation. Thank you.
Thank you, Namrata. It was a really meaningful to share my thoughts and experience. I truly believe in nursing is a very powerful position. I would like to part of that. Once again, thank you. Thank you so much.
So today's conversation reminds us that healthcare is not only about treatment, it's about compassion, presence, and human connection. Nurses are not only caregivers, they are lifeline in healthcare. Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your insights.
Thank you, Namrata. It was really meaningful to share my experience and thoughts. I truly believe in nursing profession. I'm proud to be part of it. Thank
That's
you.
great. That's great. On this International Nurse Day, let's not just appreciate them, let's support, respect, and empower them. I am Namrata, and you are watching Blue Ocean Healthness. Thank you.